with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon. Okay. Today's topic is tools without flaw. Through Shmiras Haloshon, a Jew perfects his primary tool of his service of Hashem, his power of speech. So our tool, our weapon, our everything is power of speech, right? Prayer and learning of Torah. By not using this, but not using his tongue for forbidden talk, he ensured that the words of the Torah study and prayer will ascend before Hashem and achieve the desired results. That's right. If you want, if you want to do anything, like if you're a craftsman or something, like if you have a saw and it has dual this, what is it, the blade, it's not going to help you very much. Right? In all of these traits, you have to have good tools. The sages referred to a speech of a Jew as a craft. When a king wants an item made for his personal use, he will choose only the finest craftsman to accomplish this task. He will seek someone who can create products of rare beauty, fit to be placed upon the royal table. Yet even the world's greatest craftsman will not be able to satisfy the king if he lacks necessary tools. So it doesn't matter how genius you are if you don't have any good tools. So it's not going to help you if you have, computers from 1995 and you try to work on today's graphics. So it's not going to help you much, right? If he is forced to use the tools that are damaged or of poor quality, the finished product will quite likely be rejected by a commoner and surely by the king. Right? Why? Because of the tools. If, however, the master craftsman is provided with very best tools, then the final product will be a thing of beauty and bring king much satisfaction. So good tools. Okay, so what is the parable? There is no greater satisfaction of king of the kings, as it were, than when his craftsmen, the children of Israel, go about their divine service with tools in double quote, that are free of spiritual imperfection. And it is only through the Shmiras Haloshon that this can be achieved. Right? With the good tools. All right. Very good. Let's stop here.